Welcome to this beginner-friendly Pandas tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to load CSV files into Pandas DataFrames and explore the basics of data manipulation in Python. Step 1. Import Pandas. We start by importing the Pandas library as PD. This is standard in Python for data analysis. Step 2. Load a CSV file into a data frame. Here we use red.csv to load our CSV file into a data frame called df. Data frames are like Excel tables in Python, structured, easy to manipulate, and powerful. Step 3. Explore the data frame. First, head shows the first 5 rows of the dataset. Info provides an overview of columns and data types. Describe gives statistical summaries for numeric columns. This helps us understand our data quickly. Step 4. Access columns and rows. We can select a single column, multiple columns, or rows using ELOC. This is the foundation for all further analysis. Step 5. Basic operations. Pandas allows simple operations like mean, sum, or value counts. These methods help us summarize and analyze data quickly. Pandas allows simple operations like mean, sum, or value counts. These methods help us summarize and analyze data quickly. That's it for today's introduction to Pandas. You've learned how to import data, explore it, perform basic operations, and save your results. In the next video, we'll dive into filtering and selecting data in Pandas. Thanks for watching.